Chosen ones, you have to understand the value that you have inside of you. I know sometimes it's hard to see it. I know sometimes it's hard to pinpoint where the value is. You look in the mirror, you see the same person you see from yesterday, but chosen ones, you have to understand that your growth is such an astronomical growth that you can't even see it due to the simple fact that you're in it right now, living it. Person from the outside, all they're gonna see is the montage. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna just see you from when you were at your worst to when you got up and did it yourself, and now you succeeded to your goals. That's all they're gonna see. But you, in the meantime, you have to go through all those little intricate steps in order to get to your goals. You did the right thing by cutting off the people that you knew were holding you back and you knew were not adding value to what you have to offer and what you could bring to the future. You know what I mean? You could change their generations, and you were the one to stand up and say, no, I'm not taking this no more. If you can't appreciate me and you can't accept what I have to offer and bring to the table, then I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go spread my value, spread my seeds, spread my inspiration elsewhere where somebody will appreciate it. And I mean, they're really gonna appreciate it.